Can you trust that free credit score? A look at Credit Karma. Ever applied for a loan and gotten slapped with a sky-high interest rate? Or maybe you got denied altogether. It's a confusing world out there, this whole credit thing. Suddenly, your credit score becomes this mysterious number holding the key to your financial future. That's where Credit Karma swoops in, like a knight in shining armor, offering free credit scores and reports. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, is it? Can we trust Credit Karma? Let's crack open this credit report and see what's inside. The free stuff, friend or foe? First things first, Credit Karma is legit. It's a free service that pulls credit information from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. They also use a scoring model called VantageScore, which we'll get to in a minute. The free credit score and report are the cornerstones of Credit Karma's business model. They make money by recommending financial products and services, think credit cards, loans, and whatnot. Here's the thing, these recommendations might not always be in your best interest, but that doesn't mean Credit Karma itself is a scam. The score, is it really yours? Alright, so the service is legit, but what about the actual credit score? This is where things get a little tricky. There are actually dozens of different credit scores out there, each with its own formula and weighting. The score you see on Credit Karma might be significantly different from the one your bank uses when deciding on a loan. Why the discrepancy? Credit Karma uses VantageScore, a scoring model that's not as widely used by lenders as the classic FICO score. VantageScore does a good job of reflecting your overall credit health, but it might not capture the nuances that lenders care about. Here's the good news, while Credit Karma's score might not be the exact one lenders use, it's still a valuable tool. It gives you a general idea of where you stand and can help you track your progress over time. Think of it as a credit health barometer, not a definitive diagnosis. Beyond the score, credit monitoring magic? Another perk of Credit Karma is credit monitoring. They'll alert you of any changes to your credit report, which can be a lifesaver in case of identity theft. However, this free monitoring might not be as robust as some paid services. Here's the bottom line. Credit Karma's free monitoring is a good starting point, but if you're really worried about identity theft, you might want to consider a more comprehensive paid service. The verdict, trust but verify. So, can you trust Credit Karma? The answer is a cautious yes. It's a free and legitimate service that offers valuable tools for managing your credit health. However, it's important to understand the limitations. The score might not be the exact one lenders use, and the free monitoring might not be the most robust. Here are some key takeaways to remember. Credit Karma is a free service that provides credit scores and reports. They use VantageScore, which might differ from the score lenders use. Free credit monitoring is a good starting point, but consider paid options for advanced protection. Credit Karma makes money by recommending financial products, so be critical of their suggestions. Don't ditch Credit Karma altogether, but use it alongside other resources. For the most accurate picture of your credit health, you should also get your free credit reports directly from all three bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, once a year at Annual Credit Report. By using Credit Karma strategically and combining it with other tools, you can take control of your credit and unlock a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.